Yesterday when we are on the way to church, before church, because when he was taking...
Yeah, it was, my hip was out, and that made my back.
I will say one thing.
I told you my hand's been hurting me a lot lately. It's my wrist. I don't know if you're being pushed on my wrist. Now,
They like the beats here. Which I don't understand. I don't understand why Myers is
Yes, Ethan. That scares me.
Facebook, post good morning. Sorry.
You're okay.
You don't just want a low price, you want the lowest price. And with our lowest price guarantee, you can count. You said it. Price match applies the same.
Thank you.
I gotta have your lead and stuff.
Did you mention to Dad?
Why you see here in a minute? DeLorean DMC 1.
It's still the manufacturing is available.
No. They made one and only car, and then they shut down. Because the guy who owned it, John DeLore.
I appreciate it. Here, back up. He's going to start up and let you hear it.
Told her just start the car.
Oh, man. You ready? Good. Watch. Watch it. Watch it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Time to put the horse back in the barn, he said. Right.
Oh, how to know?
We're gonna watch it.
The opening's over there.
Ferrari, that's a Ferrari too. I believe they're matching.
Hello?
I just asked, what is that? If you're rude to me, then I will rude to you.
How is that rude? I don't get it.
It's rude.
It's a wagon.
Okay. I think like. Oh, they're all going. It's okay.
When you're ready for new appliances, you want the best deal. Right now, get up to 40% off select major appliances like GE. Plus, save an extra $50 every $500 you spend in select major appliances. $96 or more.
Allergic reactions can occur. Get medical help right away if you have trouble breathing or swallowing, swelling of the face, lips, tongue, throat, or arms. Common side effects include runny nose, sore throat, common cold symptoms, flu or flu-like symptoms, back pain, high blood sugar, and redness, pain, or bruising at the injection site.
It's like Chevrolet is lot, I think, compared with other companies.
Seems like it.
I saw lots of Chevrolet actually.